Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Allison Shaw. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility and inner peace can seem like a distant dream. However, amidst the chaos, there exists a timeless practice that has the power to transform lives: meditation. As a wellness instructor deeply committed to guiding individuals towards holistic well-being, I am thrilled to introduce you to a remarkable resource that has the potential to revolutionize your approach to meditation. Practical Meditation by Giovanni Dienstmann. Giovanni Dienstmann, a prominent figure in the realm of meditation, has garnered international acclaim for his transformative teachings. As one of the top 5 meditation teachers and coaches worldwide, his expertise shines through in his latest masterpiece, Practical Meditation. In this article, I will share my insights on the book and elaborate on the profound impact of meditation on personal growth and well-being. Practical Meditation serves as a comprehensive roadmap for individuals seeking to embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner exploration. What sets this book apart is its accessibility and practicality. It presents learn-on-the-go meditation techniques designed to enhance concentration, memory, and self-esteem. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned practitioner, Giovanni's step-by-step instructions empower you to integrate meditation seamlessly into your daily life. One of the most refreshing aspects of practical meditation is its versatility. Gone are the days of contorting yourself into uncomfortable positions. Giovanni emphasizes the simplicity and convenience of practicing meditation anywhere, anytime, from the comfort of your home to the serenity of a beach or even during a hectic business trip. You can harness the transformative power of meditation without constraints. Furthermore, the book offers a diverse array of meditation techniques, catering to individual preferences and needs. Whether you resonate with mindfulness meditation or are intrigued by the principles of Tai Chi, Practical Meditation provides ample opportunities to explore and experiment with different styles. The inclusion of mini meditations enables readers to sample various practices, fostering a deeper understanding of what resonates most profoundly. Delving into the scientific underpinnings of meditation, Giovanni elucidates the profound impact of this ancient practice on the mind and brain. Backed by compelling evidence, he elucidates how meditation cultivates neural plasticity, enhances cognitive function, and promotes emotional well-being. Through clear and concise explanations, readers gain invaluable insights into the mechanisms through which meditation catalyzes personal transformation. Whether you're embarking on your maiden voyage into the realm of meditation or seeking to deepen your existing practice, Practical Meditation is a beacon of guidance and inspiration. Giovanni's practical guide equips you with the tools and knowledge necessary to embark on a transformative meditative journey, fostering profound shifts in consciousness and well-being. To further support your meditation endeavors, I am delighted to offer an introductory meditation course absolutely free. Simply click the link in the description box below this video to embark on your journey towards inner peace and self-discovery. Additionally, for those interested in acquiring Giovanni's book, a link to purchase it on Amazon is provided below. Your support in spreading the word about Giovanni's life-changing courses by liking and subscribing to our channel is deeply appreciated. In conclusion, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for investing your time and attention in exploring the transformative power of meditation. Together, let us embark on a journey of self-discovery, inner peace, and holistic well-being. Thank you for accompanying me on this enriching odyssey. Warm regards, and thank you for your time.